टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे।
Van Mahotsav. It is an annual tree festival celebrated annually in India for 1 week, that is from 1st July to 7th July. It is also called as the Festival of Trees or the Festival of Life. But nowadays human beings are cutting trees for fulfilling their basic needs. That is called as deforestation. And this deforestation can be overcome by afforestation, that is by planting more and more trees. So we should create awareness among the students, among the human beings for planting more and more trees. So we should plant more and more trees, and we should conduct creative ways to create awareness among the children also. We should play role models. We should play games related to the Van Mahotsav, that is by planting more and more trees.
Van Mahotsav means a festival of trees. It is celebrated every year in the first week of July to create awareness among the people about the benefits of trees and the need of planting the trees, as trees are one of the best ways to prevent global warming and reduce pollution. After all, we cannot survive without trees, and afforestation is the need of the hour. So dear students, plant a tree today for a healthy tomorrow. Thank you.
I love to dwell in the forest wild, where giant trees pierce the sky, a beauty spot where nature smile, a fitting place to live or die. It means मैं एक ऐसी जगह रहना चाहती हूँ जहाँ ऊंचे ऊंचे पेड़ पौधे आसमान को छूते प्रतीत हों, एक खूबसूरत जगह जहाँ प्रकृति मुस्कुराती दिखे, और एक ऐसी जगह जहाँ जीना और मरना संतुष्टि के साथ हो. Today we are celebrating the first week of July as Van Mahotsav festival, and today I request you to all to plant more and more trees and stop deforestation so that our future generation will live happily on this beautiful place called Earth. Thank you.
Trees and forests play a very crucial role in maintaining an ecological balance and providing oxygen to the human being on this planet. This Van Mahotsav week is a reminder so that we can stop cutting trees and save our forests.
Van Mahotsav is a pan-India tree planting festival celebrated every year in the month of July. It is celebrated from 1st of July to 7th of July. The main aim of this festival is to unite the people and save forest. It is very difficult to survive without trees, so my dear friends, plant more and more trees for today for the better tomorrow. In short, trees are the lungs of the earth. Saving them is definitely one. Thank you. Have a nice day.
अपनी दी हुई वस्तुओं का कभी अहंकार नहीं करती, लेकिन गलत उपयोग करने पर सबक जरूर सिखाती है.
On this Van Mahotsav, I would like to say that forests are very important for us. It gives us medicinal plants which can cure the severe diseases. So we should try to keep our forests safe. Thank you so much.
Good morning everyone. We are celebrating Van Mahotsav day. So I'm going to share you some few lines. Trees are our natural friends and caretakers. So plant a tree to make the earth pollution free. Because trees are not just a tree, they are our lives. So save your own life. More trees, more life. Thank you.
On the occasion of Van Mahotsav, आज मैं आपको एक बहुत ही अच्छी सी कविता सुनाना चाहती हूँ, जिसका शीर्षक है मत काटो इनको. मत काटो इनको, वन से है हमारा जीवन, वन से है हमारे प्राण. मत काटो इनको, इनमें बसती है जान. वन है तो कितनी हरियाली, वन ना हो तो सब बेजान. मत काटो इनको, इनमें बसती है जान. वन से है नदियों में पानी, वन है पर्यावरण की शान. मत काटो इनको, इनमें बसती है जान. Thank you.
Taking a quote on a Van Mahotsav day, plant a tree, grow a flower, let's give back our mother power nature.
टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे.